So question 3 in our analysis, and again, the way I come up with these questions is, you know, when I'm looking at the code, I just want to, the things that I'm not sure about, or that don't make immediate sense to me, or that I want to make sure I have right before I make any changes, are the questions I ask. So one of the things I want to know here is, where is the number of squares per side determined? And I need that, right, because I want to be able to have that as a variable in my ultimate version here. So okay, where is the number of squares per side determined? Well, let's take a look at the code here. And so looking at this checker method, the parameters we have are the graphics context, G, so that's not going to be it, right? Because that's what we use to do the set color draw rect. You know, whatever drawing you want to do on the canvas. Int X and int Y sound like coordinates, and again, you know, this is starting out. It's okay to just take some guesses based on the names. Then we have int N and int W. Well, I know I'm going to I want to have eventually an N by N checkerboard, so you know, it could be W, but why don't we just try and see what happens with N. So right now, another clue here is, if we look at the call to checker, okay, this is our G, right, our graphics context. This next argument is going to be our value of X. This argument here is going to be our value of Y. 8 is going to be our value of N. And min max XY divided by 8 is going to be our W. Okay, so I know when I draw the actual checkerboard that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares on each side, and since N is 8, that looks like a good candidate. So now I can muck with it, right? I can let me try just setting N to a different value. Let's say N equals 4 here, okay? And what happens with that? I could have changed, actually, I could have changed this 8 to a 4 also, but I want to keep it inside this method just to kind of localize any mucking around that I'm doing, so I don't you know, change code that's going to make a mess for me. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a 4 by 4. Okay, so yeah, it looks like N is the candidate for determining the number of squares per side.